On August 14, 2020, a tense transmission echoed through the radio waves, alerting officers to a reckless sports bike speeding eastbound. Moments later, a call from Pope County Dispatch confirmed the bike's location, passing the 104-mile marker, with emergency units already on the scene. I quickly made my way to the 108-mile marker, preparing to intercept the motorcycle on Interstate 40, unaware of the chaos that was about to unfold.
I'm coming up on the 112 right now.
When I saw he didn't have a shirt on and he had a glass on and he just big dragging on the shoulder.
Yeah, he just went by me. Clarksville, I'm going to try to get him pulled over. He's leaving into the traffic. Black bike, white male, gray shirt.
Traffic conditions.
Come on, get over. God. I'm at 136. He's still getting out of traffic. I can see him. I'm up to 115.
Copy 115, 741. Local traffic like 36.
It's light right now. We'll find out if we got anybody in Parker County or not. This might not be worth it. We'll have anybody hit up here.
I'll get ahead. I'll make sure another 5 to 8 in Parker.
He's passed on the shoulder at 116. White male, I believe he's got black pants on, gray shirt. The shirt's coming up on his buttons like that.
Keep me updated on your speed and what the traffic's like.
Traffic's good. They're moving over to me in advance because they're seeing him. I can still see him head up. I'm at 140, just going under the 117.
There's more Parker County and Troop A are aware as well. I've still got sight of him. I know he was going faster. Were you able to get a tag?
Negative. We're coming up on the 120.
2-4, 120.
He's not very far ahead of me. He gets in traffic now. Slows him down a little bit. He can close that for your tag. Crossing into Parker County. He's going to be running at least 150. I'm at 120. They advise if they've got a trigger router on it.
Sure, I've sent them several messages and they haven't said anything to me.
He's passing on the shoulders of 123. He's passing 124. He took the 124. It looks like he's getting back on. I'm going under it now.
10-4.
Okay. Clark, I'm gonna turn around and go up the ramp. There's no traffic.
10-4.
Clark, so I'm gonna have to 1022. I've lost sight of it at this point. I don't know which way it went.
10-4. 745.
I'm gonna continue right over the top of the hill here. I'm not running code anymore on 25 just to see if I can see him up ahead there.
10-4, so you lost him at the 124, correct?
10-4. I saw him take the exit. So I don't see him around.
10-4, I went ahead and given this information to Troop 8.
I don't know where he went. I thought he passed the ramp, but then when I got up there, that's where I saw his tail light. Sharp County. We're north of Dairy Bar.
County Police advised are north of Dairy Farm. The north.
What's traffic condition?
Pretty heavy.
Heavy?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, 1020, traffic condition, heavy, motorcycle, we got speeding. Then go ahead, 1020.
And what I understood, you said they were in pursuit north of Dairy Farm.
10-4.
Headed north.
Headed up Water Creek, or Water Wheel Hill
Or up, doing good at the moment, but there is a B3, B36. There's not a lot we can do as far as off the motorcycle. We can't dip, can't slide. The traffic conditions are heavy. We're just going to end up having an accident.
10-4. I'm 22.
I'm way out in the middle of the gravel road.
B36 Central.
5.
With 1022. Extremely heavy traffic. We were excess of 100. Extremely reckless for 1022.
Sedmore, the 7-5 location that you want us to hold for you.
Go ahead.
Stark County is 10-4. They're asking if they locate the vehicle, do you want them to hold it for us?
10-4. They're not going to get it stopped. It was extremely reckless. Passing double yellow on the curves. I notified them that I 1022